You'll always be ready for drop-in company with staples to keep in your pantry. Today on Let's Celebrate TV. Hi everyone, welcome to another Fast 5 episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Now if you're like me and Phil, you probably have some drop-in company from time to time. And I'll bet when that happens, you may panic a little bit and want to run out to the store and worry that you don't have enough snacks or whatever to give them. Well, today we're having some drop-in company, actually. Our neighbors, Dave and Johnny, called and they took their real estate exams and passed, so we said, hey, come on over and have some cocktails and snacks. So how can I, on a work night even, say to people, hey, come on in, we'll entertain? Well, it's because I keep some things in my pantry just for this type of an occasion. So I have in front of me a whole selection of snacks. And what I do is I just pick up these things here and there. I get them all in my local supermarket. So you don't have to go to a specialty store for any of this. So first I have some cheeses. This happens to be a smoked Gouda. It looked interesting. And you know, the way they pack modern cheeses, they stay good for months and months in your refrigerator. Next, I have some sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil. Again, they looked interesting. I picked them up randomly one day, and here they are. They're great on a cracker or on a sandwich. These are interesting. I have little Cornichons here. Little Cornichons are little tiny pickles. Sometimes they're known as sweet gherkins, but they come in a variety of flavors. These happen to be something with caramelized onions. So again, it just looked interesting. Next, I have some roasted red peppers. Great on sandwiches or on a baguette or just a little cracker. In the center here, I have some pickled artichoke hearts. Again, always keep them around, cheap and cheerful. Here's a favorite snack. I have blue cheese stuffed olives. Now these are great on their own or in a martini. And actually, come to think of it, I think I'll have one in a martini in a little bit. I also have popcorn, a great thing to keep around in your pantry. Whether it's microwave or hot air popper, or like us, you buy it for a popcorn maker. It stays forever in the cupboard, and who doesn't love the smell of fresh popcorn when you come over someone's house? Of course, I have mixed nuts and some crackers that looked interesting. Mixed nuts, again, they stay in the pantry forever. So here I have my secret weapon, which is kielbasa, or smoked sausage. This is what I buy. You can get kielbasa, you can get smoked sausage, you can get it in a variety of flavors and types. What's great about it is it's already cooked, so you don't have to cook it or anything. You just slice it up, chunk it up, and serve it with some whole grain mustard or spicy mustard, whatever you have. Oh, I just heard the doorbell. I'll be right back.
And what is this again?
Just sun-dried tomatoes.
Yeah.
I've never had them before.
You never had sun-dried tomatoes?
Never in my life. I'm so excited right now. Because, I don't know, I think
So here we are with our own little instant celebration with all things that I had in my pantry. And I hope that I've inspired you to start keeping some things in your pantry too. Now, as always, guys, we'll put up all this information in the comment section on YouTube and in the video description everywhere else like we always do. So write in, ask us questions, and tell me, what are you now keeping in your pantry? I want to hear it. Remember, hit the like button. Subscribe. Guys, we need subscribers. And the more subscribers we have, the more often we can come see you. Check out any of our videos anytime you want. youtube.com/Let's Celebrate TV. And always a new episode every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. That's all the time we have for today. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Thanks for joining us. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.